And so guys, we are leaving the caves now. We are going to the waterfalls. Yeah. So this is how we are going. We are going up. I don't know where. Are we going up or we are going up and down, up and down? Like we are going up and down. This place we can't finish the whole of it. So amazing. If you like hiking, this is a nice place to come and hike. Feel the sound of the river. That's the river. And this tree in our place, this can be so nice for the making the beehive house, the bees house. So this one could be so nice for making the bees house. Whereby you can harvest honey. So that tree could be so nice for that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I wonder how people passes this place when it rains, because it looks like it can be so slippery. Yeah. It can be so slippery. But the good thing, they have put this, so you just walk when holding. Look at that tree. It's like a bridge. Get it? And it is long up to the hand. Let me see the hand of this tree. Here the branches have started there. It's like a bridge. Wow. So nice. Let me touch it. Wow. So nice. And we have the stone over there. Wow. Trees here are marvelous. I'm telling you. They have, every tree has its own design. Look. They are very tall. Very tall. Very tall trees. That's how you can see that one which is sliding the other side. Now I think it has fallen. So it is the design. Then it goes up where you're seeing this other branch over there. Yeah. Wow. I love the nature around Karura. Wow, it was so hot, but now I can't feel it. I can't feel the hotness because we are in a cool place. We are in a cool place. Okay, these are the waterfalls, huh? Let's see. It is a criminal offense to collect, harm, defense, or kill Karura forest animal and plants. Very true. So I think these are the waterfalls. And there is a footbridge there, that side. Yeah, but we can use this. We can jump, 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 jump from this to that. Yeah, so nice. So nice. I love what I'm seeing. I love what I'm seeing, guys. So, so nice. So we can jump from here to this side. From this here and here. Then we go to that side. I've jumped from that side to this side. Yeah, so good. And I love it. Now, yeah, how am I going to pass? Guys, I'm passing this other side. I'm passing this other side. Kobenata. Kobenata, sometimes you're crazy. I didn't know that kobenata is crazy like that. So guys, we are still at Karura forest. And I love the nature. I love the nature all around this place. Around this place. Wow. So we say still continue with the Karura. The waterfalls, eh? And the trees, the smell of different trees. So we have come to the waterfalls. Looks amazing. Feel the sound of the river. Feel the sound of the waterfalls. Look at that. So nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. The Karura Forest waterfall. Here we are, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at the nature. Yeah. The stones are so arranged. Wow. I love it. And we have some fruits. I don't know whether they are fruits or they're roots. Hey, for Mugumo tree. Is this Mugumo tree? Kinda. Wow. Let me see this other side. So that's so nice. I don't know whether they are fruits or what, but I think they are not edible. Yeah, you can see inside. This is a Mugumo tree. So guys, this fruit Mugumo, these are Mugumo tree. These fruits are not edible at all, at all. You cannot eat those fruits. And look, waterfall, small, small waterfalls. Let's go look for that. Big waterfall, and we have a big tree. I'm telling you, so nice. Rami! Ah, so I'm taking video again for this big tree. Tuende tukaona hizo zingine before the time. So guys, consider subscribing all the time. Subscribe, subscribe, and share, share, share our videos, guys. Share the videos. Yeah. Yeah, we have a big waterfall. I can see it over there. Where? It's so big. Yeah, so big. Let's look at that. So big. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Now we are going to the waterfall, as you can see. It's so big. Wow. I'm so happy, guys, that we have reached the waterfall, the big waterfall. Yeah. Let's go and see. We have a one in here. What's coming now? No swimming at the waterfall. Yes. No swimming. No swimming at the waterfall. And another one. Yeah. So guys, we are here at the waterfall. Ooh. We are here at the waterfall. Yeah, so guys, this is the waterfall of Karura Forest. This is the waterfall of Karura Forest, guys. So please subscribe, like, and share all the help. And this is how we are moving. Because even there is even not free. So we have to take care of our family. So yeah, and the water, I'm telling you, the water is so nice and so cold. So you should tell me anything. So let's please kindly subscribe to kobenata YouTube channel. You want to know more of the nice one and so amusing stuff. I do all the time the best of the best. So guys, kindly subscribe to the like button. I'm working on the watchtower. So you guys subscribe and subscribe. Tell your friends and your friends to subscribe. Ah, Ronnie, we go. It is a birthday. See, they're washing the girl. This is the source of the waterfall. Then it goes down that side. So people can swim here. Oh, where there is bicycles, she's here. This is the picnic area, I think. Yeah, I've already seen that. And the gate. Oh, free fire danger. 26 high. Oh, do not litter. Where? Waterfalls only. Yeah. Okay. After waterfalls, they are saying the picnic area where the bicycles are. So I think it's that side. Or is this side? Where are we going? This is the waterfall. So picnic area. She's saying next to picnic area. The shocking thing, guys, we are lost in this Karura forest. No one knows where we are now. Romy, can you tell me? Let me wipe my camera first. So we are lost in this Karura forest. We don't know where we are. After waterfalls, we don't know where is the picnic area. And there we are going to get Tina, one of our friends from Uganda.
Yeah.
Tina Juice, guys, go and check her out. Tina Juice. So Romy, where are you taking me?
Yeah, we are going back to the picnic area. Where is where the entrance is? That is gate C.
Oh, get see, yeah?
Yeah. That's where we are
Are
headed
you
right
sure
now.
we are heading there?
Yeah.
You guys, this place is so cool, but you can get lost because we were down there on the river to the waterfalls.
Yeah, which is a very beautiful place.
Yeah, very beautiful. And so now let's go to Getsi and see whether we can connect with Tina and Mwakazi.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we move with us.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like and share.
Like and share.
Of course, commenting your opinions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I feel like I'm in heaven.
It's a great feeling.
I feel like, wow, so nice. Even that walk, it's a exercise, yeah?
Yeah.
You know? But guys know that we get so tired. Yeah. We need to go pro because
Amen.
of these things shaking like this.
Amen.
In a nice place like this, we need nice videos.
Yeah.
Guys, you pray for us to get GoPro. Oh, GDI. Hey!
Yeah.
Wow. Ronnie, let's move. Wow. This is a tree. Cheetah. Tita. Kaetak me. Name I can't even read. Aristata. Muyuyu Timba. Well, English is not what I'm telling you. Sometimes these names are so hard. I don't know whether they are the botanical names or what. Or the English names, we don't know. Well, whether they are botanical or English names. So guys, we are coming out of Karura forest. Yeah. And it is evening time, you know. We are supposed to leave this place around 6. You're not supposed to walk around 6. So hiking beyond that is prohibited. Prohibited. So that's why we are trying to walk very fast and leave the forest. Yeah. So even aging people, they come and walk here.
Yeah.
I've seen. Yeah. Also we are aging. Do you know that? We are almost there. So we are almost there also. And they are putting seats, eh? Yeah, they are making seats for resting. It's only that it's not ready yet. But they are trying their best. Wow. This is how it is, guys. So guys, make sure you subscribe if you haven't. And how is this right? Battery Lake. Hey, 13 kilometers. Butterfly Lake. 13 kilometers, we cannot go to that lake. It's far. Middle Trail. 13 kilometers, we cannot go. That one is far. Is it?
Yeah.
It's far. Is it not in Karura or still in Karura?
Still in Karura. Karura is quite big.
No, we cannot reach that. That one is so far. Very far, let me say, very far.
Yeah.
Where? That one you can't walk even. You need to use maybe a bike. Horse riding.
There are no horses here though.
Only the bicycle. They have only the bicycles, yeah?
Yeah. And of course walking.
And of course walking. But me, I'm amazed with these trees. Look at that. Down, 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 down. And where is this again? Caves and waterfalls. Oh, we are the ones who just went without even knowing where we are going. Caves, waterfalls, butterfly lake, like this. 20 valley, like this. Okay. Okay, it's center like this. Lily Lake, like this. Limuru Road Gate, this way. So we are going to Limuru Road Gate. Karura Forest. Step Project, African Fund for the Under. Endangered Wildlife Kenya. Okay. Okay. Now I understand. So Lily Lake is on the other side, not far from there. But the other lake, it was 13 kilometers. But for the Lily Lake, it's just, yeah. So we are going to the Limuru Gate. Limuru Gate is that one now, the Kiambu Gate. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's move. Move. With Romy is me.
Yay.
Yeah. You
Actually,
can't
I like
walk
it.
here alone.
Yeah.
You get bored. You have to move like two.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or more.
Or more.
Yeah.
Hey.
So make sure you're liking the video.
Yeah.
Comment.
Yes.
Of course, share the video to your friends and family.
Yes.
And subscribe if you haven't subscribed.
Yeah.
We shall really
Kindly
appreciate.
do that.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Sure.
Yes. Here Kobenata also. Subscribe to my channel. Support. We are working on watch hours, 2 of us.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys,
kindly support us to achieve that.
Yeah, watch the video up to the end and don't skip. Yeah. People, they are still walking. Yeah, it's an exercise thing.
Come and bond.
Yeah, with the friends of Karura. By the way, why is it called Friends of Karura?
It's just a marketing name.
Oh, it's a marketing name.
Whenever you think of Karura,
yes,
you are a friend of Karura.
Oh,
so
okay.
once you come,
yeah,
you're most definitely a friend of Karura.
Okay.
So it's just a marketing strategy.
Also, we are friends of Karura now.
Yeah, because we have come to support them. You know the money that you pay there, the fee.
Yeah.
That you pay over there, it's the one that helps to maintain this place.
Okay.
As you have seen, sometimes they put the chairs. For them to put the chairs, it needs money.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then sometimes you see they have put some barriers. Yeah. So for them to put those barriers, it needs money. So when we come in and pay that token, yes, token fee there, yeah, that's the cash that helps to maintain. And then I've seen they have litter bins. Yeah. So those litter bins are always emptied. Yeah. So the people who are emptying those litter bins should be paid. Yeah. So those the sum of amount we usually pay at the gate is the one taking care of such bills. Okay. So when you come here, you're a friend of Karura. Karura. And you can see the way it's very clean. You can't even find a paper or a bottle just thrown like that. Yeah. This place is so clean. It's in a forest, but even the forest is so clean. I don't know. Do they weed? Look at that place. Yeah, these are the seats I was saying. Yeah. It needs money. Yeah, to maintain also. Yeah. So when you're tired, you just come and sit there. And relax. Or when you want to read some storybooks or novel, you just come and sit there and do your own. Yes. Yeah, man. Well, Karura is a place to be. Sharpening iron, come to Kenya. Mark, what are you waiting for? Robert, this is a place to be. Sky, Crossdale. Oh, my Crossdale. Come visit Kenya, guys. Yeah, and Patricia just likes walking. She can come and walk here. Yeah, big up yourself, Mom Patricia Jake. Yeah, she likes walking every evening. Yeah. I watches her video all the time, like she does walking. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. At Karura Forests. So guys, we are rushing to see Tina Juice. Yeah. So we wanna go and see Tina Juice. She's one of our friends. We met her through Harriet Anabo. Yeah. Also guys, go and check Harriet Anabo. She's on the road to success also. Check her out. Wow. Oh my God, today I'm going to sleep. Today I'm going to sleep direct because I'm so tired. Romy, are you going to sleep? No, for me this is nothing. This is nothing. Yeah, it's just walking, man. But those mountains we have gone. No. we weren't running while climbing them, we were just walking. Well, so it's not a big deal. For me, those two mountains, the small hill, I was like, I'm tired. But it is good for my body. You see the way I'm fat, guys. Look at the way I'm fat. So I need to reduce. I need to reduce this body.
But I like being fat. Me, I don't like to be slim than this. That is me. I don't know why. As long as I'm flexible, you can feel like I'm not breathing that much. I'm okay. And I don't get sick. So I'm so good. I'm good to go to the forest. When I see this firewood, I feel like collecting. But for the wildlife, this is our manure, kind of fertilizer, yeah? You can collect the firewood on this area.
Yeah, you can't because it's not allowed.
Yeah, it's not allowed at all, at all. Yes. So let's go and catch up with Tina Juice. This thing is swinging. You see? Have you seen this cafe? He's using the... What did we call this thing? What is he using? Romy?
Which one?
Is it the way inatumianga nini? Hii aka kamdudu. Kameshikiliwa na ile nini yake. Ile kama ile ya spider. Wave. Eh? It's using the wave. It's so nice. Hey, so many things here. Nature, my friend. Wow. Nice. Nice. So nice. Wow. Look at the zigzag of the trees. Karura forest. So nice exercise. Yes, guys. I think now, guys, I'm still at Karura. Just walking home now. Walking to the main gate. Yeah. So I think I have to end my video over here, guys. Yeah. On this beautiful, beautiful tree. Let me sit. Have a seat on this thing. You see, we have sat. So nice. So guys, kindly go check me out, Kobenata. Like the video, share all the time, guys. I'm so tired. Wow. From all that route to this place. Yeah, I decided to give you this amazing, amazing video. Watch up to the end, guys. And don't skip Wow, wow. That's I didn't have the cough, but that's the cough of tiredness. So kindly subscribe, like, and share all the time, guys, because we are working on watch hours, so we want our video to go viral. So kindly support all the time, share, watch my videos, go support me, guys, and I'm going to give you the amazing vlogs, lifestyle. Yeah, I do lifestyle and travel, and that's why I'm here on this forest alone, because Romy has left me. I'm on this place alone. I was with Romy, but he has gone to the main gate. Yeah, so guys, kindly subscribe. Tell a friend and a friend to subscribe to Kobenata YouTube channel. Kindly tell your sisters and your brothers, your nephews and your cousins to subscribe. Support me. Support me, guys. And get me on Instagram at Kobenata Mackay, Facebook Betsy Mackay, Kobenata Betsy Mackay on Facebook, Kobenata Betsy Mackay, Instagram, Kobenata Mackay, and on YouTube, where I have also TikTok. TikTok is Kobenata Mackay 0797. Kobenata Mackay 0797. Yeah. And now, guys, let me say bye bye. See you in the next video. Yes.